Hi everyone, today I'd like to introduce you to the Teams database, an additional feature in the FinxS online platform. So Teams database, what is it? The Teams database is an add-on feature to the extended disk tool. Team database allows you to combine all the individual disk results into a team to store and refer back to again and again. And the great thing about this feature is that it doesn't cost you anything, so you can create and set up a team for free and come back and play with the results over and over again. So Team database, what can you do? With Team database, you can create team reports really easily. You can view the entire team against job templates, against individual behavioural competencies, and against ideal jobs. The Team database also allows you to view the team against team maps. So this is a really great feature if you're putting together a team presentation, as you can pull the team map up onto screen, print a PDF, and just simply insert it into your PowerPoint. So Team database, how does it work? I'm just going to show you a quick tutorial about how to find the Team database in your FinxS account, how to set up a team, and how to view it against your graphics and your job templates. So from the main menu, we need to hover over database and click on the Teams subheading. If you can't see this Teams subheading, please contact HR Profiling or your master trainer, as they will need to give you access to this. To create a team, click on the plus button in the bottom left-hand corner. Once the web form has popped up on your screen, we have a few boxes that we need to fill in. So we need to give the team a name, and you can have up to 16 characters in this box. Once you have filled in the details, just ignore usage rights and job template for now. And then we've got two types. So these types determine how results are added to the team. So static means that we manually control who is entered into the team, and dynamic means that results are automatically added to the team. Results can be automatically added to a team in two ways, from a project or from a user. If we select a particular project, this means that all results completed under that project will automatically flow into this team. If we select a user, any result done under that user, they could have multiple projects. Any result under those projects will flow into this team. For now, I am going to click on static. So once we've filled in all these details, we then click save. Now that we've created a team and given it a name, we need to add individuals to our team. So to do that, we click on the Teams Database Individuals tab. We then need to click on All Results directly under that FinxS logo. And then we need to click on the team that we want these results to appear in. And then we select the results we need. Now we also have an option here to identify our team manager. So to do that, we just put a dot in the circle. So anyone that's added to the team will automatically be saved, so there are no extra buttons to push here. We simply need to go back to this Teams tab here. Great, now that we've created a team and added people to it, we can now generate a report really easily, or we can view these results in Open Preview. So to generate a report, we click on the Print PDF button. We select the report we want to put against this team. So I'm going to choose the Team and Build Analysis and click OK. So as you can see on my screen, the report has been generated using the customer service team that I've just created, and it will have all the results that I added to that team. Now the other option here we have is to view the results in Open Preview. So we can view our team against individual competencies. So on the right hand side where we've got our list of names, we need to select them, so we can either select all using the button or we can select individuals. Then on the left hand side we've got our list of behavioural competencies, styles and ideal jobs. So because this is my customer service team, I kind of want to see how they do in account management. So I'm going to click on account management, and my team's main focus is building relationships with new clients, so they're new account managers. So I want to see how they all do against this. So we can see that from my team, we've got a couple of people who will naturally be suited to account management with building relationships with new clients, and we can see here that they're Betty Boo, Martin and Herman. We can also view the results against a job template. So to do that, I've clicked on the job template tab, and on the left hand side here we can see that we've got our list of job templates, and I want to see how they do in an admin role. So I've clicked on my job template and I can see all the individual scores against a particular competency in this job template. And the last option here we have is to view the team against some graphics. So we can view them all against a shotgun map, a name map, we've got an arrow map, the team flexibility zones and the standard team map. So once we've finished viewing our team against all these options, just click back and that will take you back to the team. Team database, why would you use it? So the team database is really great for team development, recruitment and organisational development. If you're using it for team development, you can create and store a team to easily generate a team report and view team maps without having to retick all the names again and again. As future employees join the team, you can quickly add them with a couple of pushes of a button and boom, you have your team report. The team database is a great feature when you're going through a recruitment drive, as it allows you to view the existing team and analyse any gaps that you may need to hire or recruit for. You can also add the results of your recruits into the team to identify how they're naturally going to fit in the team, and it also allows you to identify any potential points of conflict and recognise where you can use the strengths of your new recruit. Team database is also a really great feature for organisational development, as it allows you to set up and store multiple teams, so you can have teams across your entire organisation, like your sales team, your management team, your customer service team. This is a really great feature for leaders to identify how they can better lead their team and interact with their team members. Because FinxS database allows you to put the team against job templates, team database can also help you with decision making, team building, interpersonal skills and organisational management. The great thing about this feature is that you can store teams and refer back to them again and again without having to recreate them, and it doesn't cost you anything, like I said before, so you can do this as many times as you need. So thanks everyone for listening to this mini tutorial, and keep checking back for more tutorials in future.